This is an overview for SharePoint. SharePoint is a web-based file management system created by Microsoft. So we're going to type in https://sharepoint.careeracademy.org homework, and this will take us to SharePoint where we will be working. I'm going to use Internet Explorer as my browser because this is a Microsoft-based product, and so Internet Explorer will be the only browser that works as well as we would like it to, especially with OneNote. So when we come into the main page, at the top we have the students and at the bottom we have the faculty. Any faculty that has been requested to set up is in here. If you don't see a folder with your name here, then please email the help desk and request that a folder be set up on SharePoint for you. So to access a student's folder, you go to whatever class they're in. So for me, 7th grade would be class of 2018. I'll click. I see all the folders for all the students in the class of 2018, and I can click to access any of these. None of them will have anything yet because the middle school has not started using SharePoint, so it's empty. I'm going to click back and back again. You only have to click once because we're in a web-based environment. Double-clicking is when you're in a file-based environment that's not a web-based environment. If I scroll down, I see all the teachers. Again, I can click once on a teacher's name to see what's in their folder. Students can only access their own folders and only see their own folders. Teachers have access to everybody's folders. So I've clicked on my name, and here are all the files I currently have within my folder. So I'm going to click on Transitional Math to use this as an example of working with OneNote. So even though they show you OneNote icons, these are actually folders or workbooks. We call them workbooks in OneNote. So if I click on Transitional Math 7, that workbook, it's going to take me into all the section groups, all the section groups that are within my OneNote notebook. So I have trimester 1, trimester 2, and trimester 3. These are the main section groups that I use. And then if I click on trimester 1, underneath that I'm going to have all the units, which are also section groups in OneNote. So to kind of show you in my OneNote, Math 7, trimester 1, and then a unit called decimals, exponents, fractions, and integers. So all of these are section groups within the section group trimester 1 within the workbook Transitional Math 7. So they're showing up as folders. So here's decimals. If I click on decimals, it's going to take me to all the sections that I have under decimals right here. And you'll see Open Notebook. Anybody that uses OneNote is probably used to seeing that to open their notebooks. This only works again if you're in Internet Explorer as your browser. You're going to have a toolbar that appears at the top that allows you to delete, edit, things like that. Mainly you will not be working from this view, however, except to come in and clean it out from time to time, deleting folders and that kind of thing. And you can share different types of files in here as well as OneNote.